Alright, here's my 2007 CR250. Got not too long ago. This is by request. It's a walk around. Well, let's start off on top. It has Renthal bars with ASV breakaway levers, both sides. Fork bleeders, where you just press them. V-Force 3 reeds. It has a bunch of the red aluminum pieces on it, like right here and there, and like on the brake fluid caps and levers. It's got full pro circuit exhaust with 304 pipe on the back. It has Race Tech suspension all around, a hole shot device, radiator guards, and then all the extras. We have the stock pipe, extra set of full set of plastics, shrouds, number plates, fork guards, brake guard, rear fender, front fender, a very hard extra seat in the box that the guy never used because it was too hard for him. And that's an SDG, a 42 or a 48 tooth sprocket, extra seat cover, triangle, Renthal pad, bar pad, and I'll set this down and start it up. And this is cold, so I haven't started it up yet. There you go. Thanks for watching.